Hello again, this is me again, Ashana. We have another job for interview on Sunday, March 9. So the job description for this is operator. So we're looking for operator. This is and also waste material recycling job and cleaning. So we're looking for 4 people for this. The work area is around Shinagawa and Hachioji in Tokyo. So there are shifting schedule and the salary starts from 259,200 yen to 324,000 yen. There will be bonus also. So anyone interested to apply for this job, this is scheduled again for interview on Sunday, March 3 at our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. Anyone needs visa support, we do process your visa or your change of visa to working visa once you are hired. Thank you.